Today we're gonna learn kureru. Kureru is to give in favor of someone. Now, you might be wondering, well, didn't we do that already before? Was it ageru? Yes. So ageru, there's a difference. Kureru is to give, someone else is giving to me. Ageru, someone else is giving to someone else. Or I am giving to someone else. So if you want to learn about ageru, you can check it out. But kureru, give to, so this give in favor of someone is first person, okay? So it's like me. Someone gives me, you wanna use くれる? So, 山本さんはプレゼントをくれました。山本さんは私に is hidden here. プレゼントをくれました。Okay, くれました。Past tense of くれます。くれる、くれます。Pay attention here. 私に is hidden. You don't have to say because くれる、くれます is given to the first person. Me. The other example, 彼女がバレンタインにチョコをくれました。彼女がバレンタインにチョコをくれました。彼女 girlfriend バレンタイン Valentine's Day に on Valentine's Day チョコ chocolate くれました。gave to me. So 私に again is hidden here. Okay, that's hidden here. I'm not gonna write 私に here because くれました already tells 彼女がバレンタインにチョコをくれました。And you might be wondering, oh, can I use もらいました also? Yes, もらう is to receive. If you have watched morau, this sentence will make sense. If you haven't watched it, you can watch it later. I'll have a link in here. So, 彼女に or から again, either one is fine, right? バレンタインにチョコをもらいました. It's the same meaning. This is receive. I'm just giving you the different verb for this. The last one we did was my girlfriend gave me chocolate on Valentine's Day, whereas I received a chocolate from my girlfriend on the Valentine's Day. That's the difference, but it's the same thing. If you need to pause, just please rewind it, compare the sentences. I'm just giving you the alternative way of saying it. Back to くれる、くれます. We can use くれる、くれます with verbs as well. And you want to be careful using verbs. I said first person, me. We can also use it to someone who belongs to your group. So maybe your daughter, your brother, your father, your friend. I'll tell you what. 先生は息子に鉛筆をくれました。Let's break this down. 先生 teacher 息子 son 鉛筆 pencil をくれました。So you might notice using ni to the giving someone, first person, me, or related people. The teacher gave my son a pencil. Teacher, son, pencil, gave. So just remember, you are most likely going to use me, gave me, but you can also use it for someone who's part of your group, like your family members, friends, someone. So what I use is, if I'm talking to a friend and maybe he's talking about a birthday present, he received a birthday present, I can ask him, 何をくれましたか? 何をくれましたか? Although くれます sounds like I'm giving to myself, but since first person includes people from your group, あなたに or 君に or name, like his name, like one above is hidden. But since I'm asking him a question, this is implied. Just feel free to ask me questions if you're not sure about something. I can answer anything. That is used for noun. We just looked at nouns. We can use this くれる、くれます for verbs as well. But you need to be careful. You need to use te forms of verbs. If you're not sure about te forms, it's right here. You can check it out. 彼氏が手伝ってくれました。彼氏が手伝ってくれました。手伝う means to help. You need to have a te form to make this work. Alright, 彼氏 boyfriend helped supposedly me, first person, because I'm not specifying my son, my daughter, my father, something like that. So if you don't have anything like someone need with くれました, you're talking about yourself. くれました So my boyfriend helped me. 彼女はチョコを買ってくれました。彼女はチョコを買ってくれました。My girlfriend, chocolate, bought, gave. So, in favor of someone, she bought me chocolate and I'm happy. Alright, 買う is to buy, change to te form. チョコを買ってくれました。Maybe you're wondering how to say, well, my dad works for me. Make sure the food is on the table. And you're happy about it. 父は働いてくれます。Dad, father, 働く, work, te form, くれます。He works for me.For us, for someone, and in favor of, and it's a nice thing to say. Let's do another example. 一緒に映画を見てくれました。一緒に映画を見てくれました。Together, 一緒、映画、movie, 見て、see, 見る changes to te form, 見て。Root verbs are the easiest to conjugate, te form, くれました。I'm happy. So, I'm not specifying who watched movie with me.Suppose in the middle of a conversation, I'm talking about my girlfriend. I wanted to go to a movie and I didn't have anyone to watch with me? So I asked her. She's like, yeah, let's do it. Let's go. 一緒に映画を見てくれました。In that case, 彼女は subject is hidden before. That is くれる。くれます。Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more contents like this. And if you want to have a private lesson with me, one-on-one, online, I'll have a link in the description below. You can check it out. And I will see you in the next one. Until next time.